Hello, my friends. My name is Magic, and this is my son, Clyde and Chase. Today, a client sent us this eerie picture. She is a dark fantasy novelist, and she wants this to be the background for a composition she asked us to do for her latest novel, which will be published very soon. Okay, let's start with the draft immediately as I explain to you the concept. She asked us to draw a semi-silhouette of a 6 foot 4 inches tall dark warrior with wings, who is also looking into the background. He has a large sword with a sharp end thrust into the ground. That would mean his entire height should be inside the whole length of the panel. He will be placed to the far left of the composition, and only half his body will be seen. But I still drew him somewhere near the middle, just so I could imagine a full stance and locate body parts more easily. Now, when doing artworks for clients, it is important to understand their concept by knowing more about them. This author we are drawing for today was an avid Final Fantasy gamer back in the late 90s and early 2000s. So when she ventured onto writing dark fantasy romance novels, she integrated parts of her favorite game heroes into the characters she created, and she was pretty successful with them. It's time to ink. Remember, in the picture we will use as background, the moon is very bright, so we cannot do a full silhouette because that light needs to reflect. I will still draw huge dark areas, but will add a few details and will make mood adjustments during coloring. Now we have placed the character where he needs to be. Next step is the coloring. We need to blend it in a little with the background. So I put darker colors and a bit of feathering on the edges so he doesn't pop up too much. But not too blended in that he becomes so unrecognizable. The sword colors will carry most of the contrast that we will need for the whole composition. And then we make the final adjustments. Now the reason he is far left is because of how book covers or promotional posters are lettered. I am pretty certain that huge letters will be placed around the center of this composition. This will be submitted to the client, but remember this as a hired artist, nothing is ever final. Whether it will be used as promotional poster or cover, the publishers will have your work evaluated and tested if it works for them or not. And you will most likely need to tweak the colors to a certain degree. So you need some flexibility. Thank you for watching up to this point. Please leave likes and comments and do subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day.